Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Roscom. I'm the service manager at Livewire. Today we are taking a look at the Sonos Amp Multi. It's a little pull tab here, pulls off nice and neat. Nice. This device is brand new. It's Sonos's first foray into the multi-zone amplifier space. This is a brand new product, not released to the public yet. Expected to release in the fall. We get to take a first look here and see how it does. These are the banana clips that go in the back here. These do unscrew a bit and you can put a speaker wire in there. This 8-channel amp will handle 4 zones of audio. So 4 different rooms of audio, 2 speakers each. The setup for these is very simple. It's done through the Sonos app. This is a faceplate for this amp. This is rack mountable and it will save you space. Just slides on the front, screws into it on the bottom. Typically, when you have 4 Sonos amps together, you would require 1 shelf for 2 amps, 1 shelf for 2 more amps. You end up taking up 4 U of space. This amp specifically is better because you end up only taking up 2 U of space. Saves you a little bit of space in your rack and will ultimately end up saving you money on rack sizes and parts and components and things like that. Great benefit.